Right, so hello, good morning. I mean, good noon, good afternoon, by the way, since it's already 12:05. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right, great. Okay, so let me just share my screen real quick. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, I just would like to remind everybody that to those who haven't submitted their 1 minute video yet. So yeah, the due date is still September 13, but I encourage everybody to submit earlier than that, since I would like to see your feedback, like the things that I need to change, maybe I need to improve, I need to update. Okay, like what are your expectation with this subject? Okay. And as usual, this will be just a super short Zoom meeting, since the video has been already made. Okay, so I'll just post it later on, maybe after 2 hours, since I'm still editing that one. But yeah, in week 3, so this is already the final week. Okay, to be honest, this is the module 4, 5, and then 6. So they're combined already as one module in this uh, tab page right here. Okay, so you can already check the module 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and you can now also take the lab number 5 and then the module number 4. I mean the quiz in module number 4. The same with the case study number 4. But for the lab number 6, okay, and module number 5, so I'll publish this one maybe tomorrow or the next meeting. So yeah, don't you guys worry, you still have plenty of time. We actually still have how many days left? So today is 7. I still have one meeting tomorrow. Another 2 meetings for Friday and Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, we still have 5 meetings left. Okay, and so we could actually end our our meeting for the midterms today already, and then the remaining meetings will be used as your free time, okay, or as your time to finish all of the activities that I give to you guys, your laboratories, and the same with the requirements that your instructors, uh, other instructors give to you. Okay, so yeah, but that depends if you guys have queries or questions, like for example, you have questions regarding with the lab number 5 or lab number 6, like you need elaborations or explanations, then maybe we can still meet this Friday, Saturday, or even next week, okay, Tuesday and then Wednesday. Okay, so are we clear with that one? Were you guys able to follow the thing that I explained? So after this one, of course, your midterm exam already, okay, which will be published on September 17th. And yeah, one more thing, you're not going to have a quiz anymore on the module 6. So your last quiz will be up to module 5 only. Okay. So are we clear with that one so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's actually it already. So let's use the remaining time. So if you guys have a question or clarification regarding with with our laboratories, lab number 1 to 4, module 1 to module 3 quiz, or case study number 1 to case study number 3. So this is now your this is now your chance to ask them. So anyone who has a clarification or question so far? Okay, so let me ask a random person. Mr. Pierre Somera.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any questions so far? Starting from, the module 1 up to module 4 or module 3?
None, sir. None, sir.
Laboratory, it's okay. Everything's good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. What about Mr. or Miss Jeneline Peset?
None, sir.
Really? So I need your feedback, guys. Like, sir, could you please explain more about this slide in module number 3, maybe? Like, I need more information regarding with that. So yeah, anything will do as long as I can help you guys understand more about the module itself, okay, or the topic itself. Then I would be glad to help you guys. So well, I'm happy that you guys don't have a question, but at the same time, I'm not really sure if you're really okay with that. Okay, since for my past
Sir.
yes, yes, Mr. Theseus Baklad.
Sir, dun sa lab 2, paano po yung sa references?
Okay, so where is that? Let me just explain this one real quick. Okay, so this is the sample format for your resume. Well, there's a lot or there's a bunch of different formats that you can find on the internet, but these are the basics. Okay, these are the things that you need to put on your resume, like your objectives, your personal information, your education, uh, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then the last one is always the reference. So this reference right here, like for example, if you're going to apply to that company, so they are going to call these these people right here. So mostly the minimum is 3. So you can add more if you want, like 4 references or 5. Okay, but 3 is already good enough. Okay, so in here, when putting someone's name, it must not be blood related to you. Okay, because that would be very biased already. Like for example, if you put the name of your mother, okay, so of course he will, or your mother will say that yeah, that person is very kind, uh, very hardworking, very intelligent. Like he will say, or he or she will see, only the positive things because of course that's your mother. Okay, so that is why this person right here must not be blood related to you. Okay, so it could be your ex professor, okay, or your current professor, or your mentor maybe, okay, or someone who knows you, okay, and that person is a lawyer maybe. Okay, so that's actually an awesome title that you can see right here. Like for example, this one is an engineer. At the same time, he has a masteral, he has a doctorate. Then one thing is for sure that this person, the message or the information that he will say is reliable. Okay, like there is no bullshit of whatever he is going to say to you. Okay, so are we clear with that one?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you can copy this one, but yeah, if you can find another person like who has a high position, then better. So you can already use this one, as your first step in creating your resume. Well, you guys still have how many years? 3 years or 4 years before you can, you will graduate as a computer. I mean, civil engineering, not computer. Okay, so there's still a lot of things that will happen. You'll still meet a lot of people, okay, along the way. Any other concerns? Oh, one more thing I forget to mention. This one should be in one Microsoft Word only. So you can combine this one as two already. So the first one is the resume, followed by the reference. So you don't need to submit two separate Microsoft Word file. Okay, you can just have one Word file and then yeah, just combine the two. the resume, and then the recommendation letter. Okay. So any other concerns? Okay, so if you guys don't really have any questions or clarifications, then I'm happy with that, since it only means that you guys are okay with that. Okay, so meeting adjourned. Happy lunch, and let's just meet again next meeting maybe. So we'll see. So if you guys have a question, so just comment down on my announcement like, sir, I have a question, so can we meet next meeting? So we can do that one, okay? Since we still have 4 meetings left and we have to maximize our meetings. Okay, so goodbye, and thank you guys again for coming.
Thank you,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.
Happy lunch.
Happy lunch, sir.
Okay lang, sir.
Okay, so what about the 3 of you, Mr. Galano and Miss Bumanghat and Mr. J? You guys have a question or clarification so far?
Sir,
Yes.
sir na nag-PM ako sa Outlook.
Mhm. So dapat mare-receive ko rin dito. Okay. So what did you say? Pwede mo na rin irekta sa akin.
Sir, kasi nahirapan ako mag-budget nung time ko kasi naka-PS2 kami ngayon, sir. Tapos naka-core.
I see.
Since,
You're the one who commented on my announcement, right?
yes, sir.
So yun nga, kagaya ng sabi ko, actually kinausap ko na rin si Dean regarding with this. Sir, what if kasi parang ano nyo lang 'to, 'di ba? Parang para ma-suffice lang yung lacking of units.
Yes, sir.
Kaya kinuha nyo tong COMPFP. Tinanong
Since 1 unit lang, sir, kasi tapos ko na nung tagal na, sir, yung lecture. Tapos yung laboratory ng COE2, yun yung hindi ko natapos kasi, sir.
is that in old curriculum?
Yes, sir, sa old curriculum, sir.
I see. So wala na yatang ito ngayon sa civil curriculum.
Yun nga po, sir.
Ang sabi nila kasi, kailangan gawin niyo ba rin lahat? Well, ang gawin niyo na lang daw, ang pinaka-advice niya, ipagawa ko na lang yung kalahati, and then I can just give you guys maybe a passing score or passing grade. Okay? So, kung bibigyan ko naman kayo ng project, well, I can also go with that. But the project that, I would let you guys do, or ikaw lang sakali, is e-system. Okay? Wherein, mas matrabaho yun sa tingin ko lang kasi kung hindi mo pagamay yung Visual Basic, yun, aaralin mo pa lahat yun, and then gagawa ka ng isang project.
So, sir, ang the best na gagawin na lang, sir, gawin ko na lang yung kalahati, sir.
Kahit kalahati, siguro kung meron tayong 6 laboratories, gawin mo na lang yung madadali. Okay? Kasi lahat
Sige
na
po, sir.
100 points naman. So we have a total of 600 points kung hanggang lab 6. So gawin mo yung kalahati, yung madadali lang. And then make sure na na-follow mo lang lahat yung steps. Okay? Kasi pag na-follow mo naman lahat, nagbibigay ako ng 190. So mataas na rin kagad yung binibigay ko. Okay? Pag may na-miss ka, so pwedeng 70, 60, depende kung ano yung mga natapos mo. Okay? And sa quiz, gawin mo na lang din yung lahat. I highly recommend gawin mo yung lahat kasi lahat yun, for sure, alam mo na yun. Okay? Yung iba kahit hindi mo na basahin yung module. Okay? Kasi yung iba, alam na lahat yung about computers ngayon. And then yung iba, common sense na lang din. Okay? So sa finals, ganito na lang din gawin natin kasi may hirapan ka for sure kapag nag-project ka. Gawin mo na lang lahat ng mga quizzes. Nga pala, pinalitan ko nga pala yung mga quizzes. So before it was like multiple choice, so question and answer. Pero yung mga quizzes na pala kasi ngayon, ginawa ko lahat is like programming. So, gawin mo na lang siguro yung hanggang lab number 3. Okay? Kasi merong how many labs? Check ko lang. Kasi lahat to mga program na eh. We have a total of hanggang 6 quiz. 6 din na quiz and then 4 laboratories. Okay, in finals. So, gawin mo na lang yung mga pinakauna since yun yung mga pinakamadali. For sure, the lab number 9 and 10, yun na kasi yung mahirap yung dalawa. So, yung pizza na project and then the circuit. Well, makikita mo na lang soon kung papaano mo siguro i-handle. Basta ang gawin mo na lang, i-aim mo at least half of them. And then don't miss any case studies. Lahat naman sila opinionated lang. So, wala namang maling sagot. Okay, as long as na-persuade mo ako na or na-convince mo ako na tama yung sagot mo din. I can give you 50 points for it.
Okay, sir.
So, ganyan na lang. And para masigurado, kasi baka makalimutan ko, message me on finals. Okay, kapag
Sige po, sir.
ako ng grade. So, I can give maybe, some consideration knowing that this is just, like a supplement for your lacking of units. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you po, sir. Last sem ko na po kasi ngayon, sir.
Yes. Okay, so good luck and I hope you guys will be able to finish your thesis too, without a problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so if you don't have a question anymore, then you may now go and let's just meet again maybe next meeting. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you and goodbye.